Your story is not just content, it's cash flow, but only if you structure it right. What up though? If you've been grinding every day, posting, praying, and still not getting the results you're looking for, it's not your hustle that's the problem, it's your story. Because here's the truth, people don't buy products, people buy transformation, and they only buy it when they can see themselves in your story. And that's exactly what this 7-day quick start playbook to your AI cash story is going to teach you to do. What up though? I'm Adrienne Mays. That's affectionately hello from Detroit, Michigan, your AI cash story coach and captain. And this 7-day playbook was made for coaches, consultants, and experts who are tired of the guessing, ghosting, and grinding and ready to turn their inbox into a consistent flow of deals. Now, how are we going to do that? By using your own story in a plug-and-play AI system to generate leads, build trust, and close deals without paid ads, tech overwhelm, and close them in the DM. Your story is your system. Play number 9. Imagine this. Your business is like a movie trailer. If in the first 15 seconds it doesn't stop someone from scrolling, they're never watching the whole film. This playbook is your production team. We help you write the script, direct the trailer, and promote it like a blockbuster so people want to buy a ticket to your story or Amazon. Because when your message is clear, your money gets consistent. So what's inside this playbook? This isn't fluff. This is your AI training camp, a 7-day preseason to shift your mindset, build your lead generation system, and finally market with confidence. Here's the play breakdown. Play number 1, what's your purpose? What's your foundation? Aligning your life before scaling your business. Play number 2, clarity. Write the numbers that match your mission. Play number 3, confidence. Your past wins fuels your future revenue. Play number 4, activation. Turn every DM into a deal using the GCD way. Play number 5, automation. Let your combos convert on autopilot. Play number 6, telling your story, building a brand that people believe in and believe. Play number 7, execution, getting into the actions. Play 8, alignment, reverse engineering your goals. And play number 9, your AI cash storytelling framework. Let's do it together. Starting July 6th, the AI Cash Story Summer Masterclass. We're going to show people how to make $5,000 in 60 days or less using your AI Cash Story. No product, no tech skills, no experience needed. Just your story, our system, and 100% mentorship. All you have to do is pick up the Passion Over Profits Pop program, and inside this challenge, you're going to get ready to be elevated. So here's your next play. Download the 7-day quick start playbook. Get started with your AI cash story. Let's turn this into the actual challenge you want to get started with July 6th to make that next 5K online. This isn't theory. This is a framework built by results, and it starts the moment you run that first play. So when you want consistent clients, you need a clear story. Let's build that AI cash story together. Click below, get the playbook, or DM Adrienne Mays playbook, and once you get that, we'll walk through each step together. You have the freedom to change. Suit up, show up, and let's run the play. Adrienne Mays, your captain here. I help real estate coaches, consultants, and experts make their first 5K online by turning their scroll-stopping stories into sales using a plug-and-play storytelling framework. Let's do it together. I can, I will, I shall be victorious. What up though, Detroit, Michigan? Let's go. See you in the playbook. Deuces.